And if you're new, welcome. If you're a regular subscriber, welcome back. Hey guys, if you want to see how I installed this full lace wig, just stay tuned, sit back, and enjoy. Hey guys, so I am here with my first lace front installment. It's Dream Beauty. I already unpackaged it. I already have the hair here. It is so pretty, guys. Look at that. It looks like they already kind of curled it. It doesn't look like it's wavy hair, but I like it. It already has baby hairs. And it has combs and stuff inside. It's really cute. So now I'm going to put my tan cap on. I didn't even realize that I was putting two caps on until I already put it on. And I'm just slicking my edges back. And now I'm going to spray my hair down my hairline down with the Got To Be Glued spray. At this point, guys, I just found me a little fan that I had to air dry my cap with. I recently just moved and I forgot my hair dryer at my old apartment. But sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do, sis. Now here I'm just securing the bag. I'm basically just making sure that it is straight. I had to spray it down on the back a little bit because it had lace on the back. And just basically just making sure it's dry. So now I'm just gonna sit and wait for about 20 minutes. At this point, my song came on within that 20 minutes, y'all. I am turned up and feeling myself. I had to be listening to like Cash Doll or something. Okay, so right here is where I'm going to cut my cap. And this is when I realized, like, sis, you didn't need two caps. And you'll see why. But I stuck with the two caps and I kept it going. Right now, I'm about to use this alcohol to wipe off that excess glue and excess spray. That stuff was sticky. It was my first time. I never did this before. It was an experiment. Right now, I guess I'm calling myself laying the cap down a little bit more. I use glue, the lace glue. Probably shouldn't have did that, but it was okay. So I just used the lace glue just to hold that cap down because it was looking like it was rolling up a little bit. So right now I'm going to use my True Match blendable powder foundation, and I'm just going to put that on the cap just to give it a natural look. as you can see, y'all, this is clearly a first time video. I'm putting makeup on glue, but it is what it is. Yes, it's time to lay that lace down. So I'll put the glue on the top part of my forehead, because clearly that's not my hairline. And I just smooth that in. So yeah, right here, I'm just doing some extra-ish because clearly I know what I'm doing. So I'm just putting some more powder on my lace so it will just be natural looking, I'm assuming. So now I'm about to cut my lace to basically, you know, make it look like my hairline for real. So this is me cutting it. This side is easy, but the other side, I tried it. I did not know what I wanted to do, y'all. Cutting from the right hand side, being a right hander, was very difficult. At this point, guys, I am now about to apply this mousse to my hair. Now, this is where I just tickled myself because at this point, I really don't know what I'm doing. And I just thought, you know, this is how you lay the hair down. And, you know, I seen other YouTube videos and that's what I was going to do. But it didn't work like that. But it still turned out cute. So I'm just laying the mousse down, combing it out. And of course, I thought that laying mousse on your baby hairs is gonna lay them down, you know. But yep, that's what I'm doing here, is putting some mousse on there, trying to give myself some swoop, sis, because I'm trying to look foreign. Okay. Anyways, so I'll go ahead and do that. It's not really working, but like I said, it still turned out cute. So yeah, I gotta lay these baby hairs out and then come back to see how it turned out. Yes, sis. So as you can see, I clearly like it. It turned out very well to be my first installment. So guys, if you like these videos, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.